Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to search for videos on your phone on YouTube. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to YouTube and after that go to that search icon on the top right of the screen and here type whatever you want. For example, I will put spaghetti recipe. I will click on it and as you can see it will give me a lot of videos, shorts and a lot of things that I can find this like spaghetti recipes on it. You can only look for shorts if you click on shorts, so it will give you only YouTube shorts. You can look for videos, you can look for unwatched videos if you want to see only the videos that you didn't watch. If you click on watched, it will give you the videos that you watched. You can look for recently uploaded to see the newest videos on YouTube, videos and YouTube shorts for sure. You can click on live to see like live channels who are streaming content related to the term that you searched for, and it will give you also some suggestions of things related to spaghetti recipe or to whatever thing that you put it and that you can search for. So that's it, and after that you open the content and you can watch it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.